Today I'm going to show you how to factor a quadratic when your a value does not equal 1. Alright, so to show you how to do this, I'm going to rig up an equation for you. So I have 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. Now there's nothing that we can pull out. There's no common terms that we can pull out. So what we're going to do is draw a box. This is called the box method. And in our first box, we want our a value. So that's going to be this 2x squared. And then in our next box, we want our c value, which is our 3. So now you're thinking, oh, what are we going to put in this box and this box? Well, what we want is something that multiplies to our ac value. So a times c is 2 times 3, which is going to be 6. And then we need something that adds to our b value. So our b value is 5. Oops. Not looking pretty. There we go. So next we need to look at factors of 6. Factors of what we're trying to multiply to. So 6 is plus and minus 1. Oops. That's supposed to be a minus sign. And 6. And plus and minus 2. And plus and minus 3. Alright, so now let's think. We want to add to a positive 5. So we're not going to add any negative numbers. So I'm going to just take out all those negatives. So we're only looking at positive values. Well, 1 times 6 does give us our 6, but 1 plus 6 gives us 7, not 5. So let's look at 2 and 3. 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 plus 3 is 5. Yay! So we're going to put, let's see what color I want to use. Okay. We're going to put 2x and 3x. Now, it doesn't matter if you had put 3x in this box or 2x in this box. You're going to get the same answer. It doesn't matter. So, I hope you have this portion here written down, because I'm going to erase it because I ran out of room. So, erase that. Now what we're going to do is pull out common terms going this direction to start with. So if we look at the top two boxes, we have a 2x. That's common. So I'm going to write it on the side. Now let's look this direction. We have a 3x and a 3. Well, that's just going to be a 3. And then we're going to look, I'm going to squeeze my arrow here, but we're going to look going down. Well, we just have an x, that's common. And then going down this direction, and that's just going to be a 1. So, erase that real quick. Our factors are, 2x plus 3 times x plus 1. And that's your answer. Well, for factoring, then you could go on and solve, but we're just going to end up factoring.